the tide is high. So high tide. We're gonna see what we can catch in the high tide. I see the birds diving down there eating. Yeah. So this is going to be good. Right, the wind is standing up down here. It's very windy, but there are people fishing out here. Standing up. But we're gonna catch some snapper. Look how pretty that water is. That water looks amazing. Too rough to swim in, but good fishing water, so we will see. Alright, so we're here. We're headed to our spot.
Yeah, my people. Reach out here.
Hey.
Fishing time. Look, nobody's here to stop us.
This is where we're going, right under this bridge. This is the spot. We're going to catch bait first, and then we're going to catch some fish somewhere. Come down here. Remember, between the second and third. Come down here with your stuff, second and third. All right, we're here. What'd you catch? Oh, wow. Good. That was the first throw. Good job. And look at him. Where you going? We just catching bait. All we needed was one throw until we ready for later. Caught some bait. Oh, you gonna get the ones that fly down there. You better get it. Right, he better get them. Get the ones that drop down there, buddy, because that's it. One throw, and that's what we caught. That's gonna get us started. First throw. Look like one more in there. Two. That's okay. No. Look, he went and got that.